Hello everyone, welcome to Courts Today by Live Law, your go-to source for the latest and fastest legal updates. I am your host Syed Amir Hussain, here to bring you daily developments, landmark judgments and significant rulings from the world of law. Let's begin with the headlines and a concise overview of the top stories. After that, we'll delve into the full details, providing in-depth coverage and analysis of each update. Supreme Court has created robust jurisprudential framework to strengthen federalism, ensure state rights are protected. CJI, DY, Chandrachud. Live streaming of case at Calcutta High Court interrupted by obscene video. Complaint lodged. Religious practices in East India differ from those in North India. Cannot be restricted. Calcutta High Court on plea to curb animal sacrifice. Section 353 IPC. Shouting and threatening someone doesn't amount to assault, says Supreme Court. Creation of new facility in Punjab being done on priority. Centre tells High Court on alleged shortage of storage in FCI godown for storing paddy. Kerala court denies anticipatory bail to CPM leader accused of abetting ADM suicide. Let's start today's episode with a statement made by the CJI. Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud recently highlighted the role of the Supreme Court in shaping the landscape of federalism in India and upholding the balance of centre-state relations. The CJI was speaking at Lok Satta lecture series on the topic of understanding federalism and its potential. He expressed the court has in the last few decades evolved a robust jurisprudential framework on federalism to ensure that the state rights are protected, the identity of various communities are fostered, and values of representation are promoted. The CJI emphasized that the Indian Constitution is very detailed about how power is shared between the central and state governments. This is different from the United States Constitution. In another big update, live streaming of a case at the Calcutta High Court on Monday was abruptly interrupted due to the display of obscene photos and videos during the virtual hearing, which was being held on Zoom. Justice Subhendu Samanta was holding a vacation bench when the alleged photos and videos were displayed during the hearing of a case. While the interruption could not be immediately rectified, the live stream was stopped and restarted on a fresh link. High Court authorities have lodged a complaint at the jurisdictional police station. In the next news, a Calcutta High Court vacation bench has remarked that since religious practices in East India differ from those in North India, it would not be realistic to call for a restriction of practices which may have formed an essential religious practice for many communities. A division bench of Justice Biswajit Basu and Justice Ajay Kumar Gupta was hearing a continuing plea by the Akhil Bharatiya Gau Sevak Sangh seeking to curb the sacrifice of animals at Kolkata's Bulla Kali temple on the occasion of Bulla Kali Puja. Last year, a division bench presided over by Chief Justice T.S. Sivagnanam had also been approached by the present organization to prohibit the alleged slaughter of 10,000 goats on the occasion of Bulla Kali Puja. On that occasion, the bench had denied any interim relief to stop the animal sacrifice from taking place. On to the next big update. The Supreme Court has observed that shouting and threatening someone does not amount to committing an offence of assault. The bench, comprising Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia and Justice Ehsanuddin Amanullah, heard a case where the FIR under Section 353 of IPC, that is assault, was registered against the Indian Institute of Astrophysics employee for shouting and threatening the CAT staff while inspecting the files of his dismissal from service. Upon perusing the entire complaint on record, the court said that the High Court committed an error in refusing to quash the FIR as none of the ingredients of the offence of assault under Section 353 of IPC was fulfilled in this case. Accordingly, the appeal was allowed. The central government has submitted before the Punjab and Haryana High Court today that with regard to the issue of shortage in storage space in Punjab for paddy, a two-pronged strategy is being adopted for which additional movement of food grains from Punjab has been planned and Creation of new storage capacity is being undertaken on priority. Reportedly, the lack of storage space in the Food Corporation of India's godowns and the arrival of new paddy at mandis has precipitated the crisis in the state. The farmers from October 13th have started protesting across Punjab for non-procurement of their paddy. Chief Justice Sheel Nagu and Justice Anil Kshetrapal in the previous proceeding had directed ASG Satyapal Jain, appearing for union, to seek instructions and file reply essentially on two aspects. Number 1, availability of storage space for rice, and number 2, testing of hybrid paddy variety for outrun ratio. Considering the submissions, the court disposed of the plea. In the last news for today's episode, a Kerala court has dismissed the anticipatory bail application of CPM member and former Kannur District Panchayat President PP Divya, accused of abetting the suicide of Additional District Magistrate Naveen Babu. Talaseri Principal Session Court Judge K.T. Nisar Ahmed dismissed the bail plea today. As per the case registered by the police, ADM Naveen Babu allegedly committed suicide due to public humiliation from Divya during his farewell function. It is alleged that in her speech during the farewell function, Divya had accused the deceased of corruption in connection with the opening of a fuel outlet. The crime was registered at Kannur Town Police Station. For more details on the cases mentioned, visit our website at www.livelaw.in. Stay ahead with quick legal updates only on Live Law. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. You can support us by donating through the thanks button at the bottom of our videos or by becoming a member for just ₹89 per month.